I live a life of unlimited abundance. I imagine myself walking through a golden field under a bright, endless sky. Each step I take, the ground beneath me transforms into sparkling Rs 500 notes, symbolizing the infinite opportunities and wealth surrounding me. Opportunities align perfectly with my goals. I see myself sitting in a meeting room filled with successful, inspiring people. Every handshake, every conversation feels like a stepping stone to my dreams. The air is electric with possibilities, and wealth comes to me from unexpected sources. I picture myself opening an envelope, and inside is a surprise check with my name on it. The amount is beyond my imagination. The feeling of gratitude and excitement washes over me. I am constantly increasing my income, and I visualize a tree growing in my backyard, and instead of leaves, it's covered in Rs 500 notes. With every passing moment, the tree grows taller and fuller, symbolizing my ever-growing wealth. Yes, success and prosperity are my natural states. Do I imagine myself walking through a luxurious mall, confidently shopping without checking prices? Everything I touch feels like it's meant for me, and I embrace this abundance effortlessly. Dirt, I have complete control over my financial destiny. I see myself steering a magnificent ship through calm waters. The ship's sails are embroidered with our 500 notes, and the destination is a shining island of wealth and freedom. My wealth benefits everyone around me. I picture myself hosting a grand dinner with friends and family, where I provide them with opportunities and support. The joy in their faces makes my success feel even more fulfilling. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. I imagine standing in the center of a glowing circle. From all directions, golden coins and Rs 500 notes flow toward me, sticking to my hands like magnets. The energy feels warm and limitless. I easily attract the tools and knowledge for financial growth. I see myself in a grand library, filled with books on wealth, success, and abundance. Each book I open reveals glowing golden pages that instantly transfer knowledge into my mind. The universe supports my financial success. Imagine looking up at the night sky, filled with shining stars. Each star represents a blessing, and as I reach out, they descend into my hands, turning into tangible wealth. And I welcome wealth into my life with open arms. I see myself standing in front of a grand gate. As I push it open, a golden pathway appears, leading to a treasure trove of riches. I step forward confidently, knowing it's all for me. I celebrate every step toward financial freedom. I visualize myself dancing in a room filled with confetti made of Rs 500 notes. Each step I take is a celebration of progress, and I feel joy and excitement for the future. My wealth grows even when I sleep. I picture myself lying peacefully in bed, while golden streams of energy flow into my room. Each stream represents income, investments, and opportunities working for me effortlessly. I am always in the right place, at the right time. I see myself standing at a crossroads, where golden arrows point me in the perfect direction. Every decision feels guided, leading me toward abundance and success. My financial dreams are already a reality. I imagine looking at a vision board filled with pictures of my goals. Slowly, the images come to life. Luxurious homes, thriving businesses, and joyful experiences become my reality. Was every action I take attracts wealth and prosperity. I visualize myself planting seeds in fertile soil. As I water them, they instantly sprout into tall trees laden with Rs 500 notes, representing the fruits of my efforts. Money flows to me effortlessly and endlessly from infinite sources. And I close my eyes and imagine streams of money, golden and endless, pouring into my hands. Each Rs 500 note feels warm and alive, and as I hold them, they multiply. The feeling? Pure gratitude. I am worthy of wealth, success, and prosperity. And in my mind, I'm on this grand stage with people cheering for me. They're celebrating my achievements. I'm holding a giant check with my name on it. It's like my moment of glory. Every rupee I spend comes back to me multiplied. And I picture myself buying meaningful things, gifts for loved ones, investments in my dreams. And with every rupee I spend, it feels like I'm planting seeds that grow into a forest of abundance. Golden opportunities come to me easily. I see these massive golden doors opening one by one. Behind each door, opportunities, big ones, partnerships, ideas, investments. I walk through confidently, knowing they're all meant for me. My life is filled with luxury and abundance. I imagine living in a beautiful home, a villa with lush gardens, sparkling chandeliers, and a serene pool. It's not just about the things, it's the peace and gratitude I feel in this space. My thoughts are magnets for wealth and success. I see these golden sparks flying out from my mind, pulling opportunities, people, and resources toward me. It's like I'm glowing with attraction for all things abundant. It's to create my financial destiny, and I picture myself holding a pen, writing my story. Every word is about success, freedom, and joy. It's like I'm scripting the life I want, and it's happening in real time. My bank account grows every day, and I visualize my bank account on my phone. The numbers just keep going up and up. And with every increase, I feel this calm assurance that I'm on the right path.